Yeah, hi, hello, welcome to the Trailhead Budget Solutions YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your own subscription is a lot to me. In this video, we are trying to cover off use data from a custom object to drive rules. So it's under Salesforce CPQ product rules. A mountain of rules. Some business requirement seems to take a lot of time and energy to implement it. Consider this example. So the home automation hub bundle has a number of power strips and outlets to support the different socket standards. So our customer in Germany can buy the same bundle as in the United States. Now imagine that you want to limit with power strips and outlets can be sold to customers based on the country in the code chips to country file. For example, if it is Germany, they should only be able to buy the smart EU power strips and the smart EU power outlets. The other options are grayed out in the screenshot. So, as shown in the screenshot. One way to meet this requirement is to create a product rule for each country. So, each with their own error conditions, actions, and the configuration rules. But every time you add another country, you have to create another rule. So this is what's added to this. You might have to revisit old error conditions to account for the new country. That can be mean a lot of work in future. Thankful there is a easier way. Use a lookup query as part of your rule. So with one rule, so we can do all the work of the original there. So and you don't need to make new rules to support more countries. So it will all start with the data. So these are the countries and actions, smart is power chip and outlets. The data in this table needs somewhere CPQ can find it, namely a custom object for CPQ enable special arc. We named the field OL country or OL product or OL type so that it is clear where they are coming from when you reference them later. So OL country is just text field, OL product is a lookup field. To that product object, OL type is a pick list that has the three types of actions. You would take a product rule such as enable, add, hide and remove, and also for fourth. Create a lookup field. So these are the steps to create the lookup product rule. So just follow this whenever you are trying to this trial. And this is that where we are setting up the lookup queries related field. This is how it looks like, and the product rule it will be. Validation and alert lookup rules. So when we see that lookup rules to drive validation and alert rules too, the process is similar. Expect you only need to two fields for our custom object, a lookup field and the OLI country and text field to house the manage you want to display to our users. You still tell CPQ which object has data. So we have that validation checks and the validation message lookup fields. This trial having that quiz, and we'll try to complete this quiz. Yeah, what kind of data can be used to match against rows in a lookup object? A failed value from the code, a static value as a typed lookup query field, a configuration attribute from bundle. So we can use all three. What data must live in a custom lookup object for it to be usable in a validation or alert tool? So lookup field to the product object, text field to enter user facing messages, pick list to choose between action types, pick list to choose between validation and type. So the right option is text field to enter the user facing messages. Let's go and check the quiz. We have completed successfully this challenge. So we'll meet you in another video. So until that, keep watching channel. Thank you for once again.